tell you, if you don't enjoy driving them, you probably don't need to own one. Get out and drive in Volkswagens. It's what they're meant to be. Don't be afraid of them. They break down, we'll fix them. Hope everybody has a good day. Thank you. All right, so we'll tell you a little bit about Carmen this morning. Super proud this build's coming to an end. It's going home today. Mr. Jen's coming to pick it up after lunch. I'm gonna tell you, this has been a good one. This is the first restoration Stephen and I did since we teamed up. Huge shout out to him. I couldn't do it without him. Thank you so much, brother. We love you. Stephen did all the paint and body work. Even what I tore up, he come back and fixed. What I scratched up, he come back and fixed. We'll make a good team. Thanks for the help. We did replace the right rear fender. We couldn't find an OEM fender, and couldn't even find an aftermarket fender, so we didn't have no choice but to repair that one. He did a great job on that, hammered and dollied it out. I kind of challenged him to see if he could do it, and he met the challenge. So we did a top end rebuild on the engine, got that back running like it's supposed to, put a new top on the car, new running boards, new tires, new wheels, and if you did brake kit, completely rebuilt the front end. We did a adjustable struts on the front end to bring the front end down a little bit. These later model Super Beetles kind of sit up in the front, and you know that's not how we do things, so we kind of fixed that. New bumpers. Super excited to see this car going home. You'll see this car at some shows with us. I'm sure there'll be some things that we have to adjust and have to redo, but that's okay. We strive for perfection. Sometimes we come up short. Thank you for joining in. Thank you to everybody who's been a part of this. Thank you for Miss Regina for letting me do this. Hope there's many more to come. There's already 2 in line to go in the shop. Got more work than we ever do. God's blessed us beyond. We'd like to ask y'all continue to pray for Riverbank Customs. Pray for Stephen and myself, for Wendy, for Becky, because they have to tolerate us. They spend a lot of nights at home while we're out working or we're out on the road traveling. Couldn't do this without them. Couldn't do this without their understanding and patience. Don't know what the future holds for Riverbank, but it's looking good. It's looking bright. Thank you.
Ready for it, Mike.
So just want to show you a typical afternoon here at Riverbank Customs. We don't do nothing small. You see we got, that belongs to Herschel Morgan. We got the body off and putting new pans in it. But while we're putting new pans in it, while we got it separated like this, we're cleaning all the bottom of the chassis. One thing I like for the bottom to look just as clean and nice as the top. So we've already got the new pans welded in. Now we're cleaning everything up. I'm gonna shoot a coat of primer on it and then come back with a coat of black. Take a look at it from this other angle. What the top looks like. So I cleaned and primed all the pan head yesterday. Like I say, the pans are already in it. Did some cleaning around the engine mount where the cables go in. Cleaned all that up yesterday. Just trying to knock all the grease and the grime and the dirt and the old sealer off of it. I like things to look good, clean and shiny. Just show you a little bit about what's been going on tonight. Cleaning. Getting all that old undercoat off. Knocking the rust down. Down to the hand sanding now. Again, not trying to make a show out of this. Not trying to make a show car out of it. Just want to knock all that rust off and get clean. Way some good paint will stick to it and prevent it from rusting again. All right, let's wrap. Part I really enjoy. This is when it gets to be fun. Everything's clean, painted, and it's just bolting stuff on. The dirty work's just about done. This is gonna be a nice car. Really trying to do a good job for the customer. been a long time since he had a Volkswagen, and I don't think he's ever actually had a Volkswagen probably as nice as this one. That little engine's gonna be pretty stout. It's got a little 110 cam in it. Makes you see how that's gonna run. So you see what we've done. The chassis is all painted, transmission's all painted and prettied up. Engine's back in it. Just starting to bolt pieces on. Master cylinder's in. Now I gotta build the front end. I'm not really looking forward to that. A little bit more dirty work than pressing the ball joints in and out, but we'll get it done. Hope to have this thing, hope to be ready to put the body on one night next week. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right, so time to head home. Been a long day, long Thursday. Thursday's usually a long day with meetings and scheduling, and enough about that. It's time to head home and do what we enjoy to do. Try to get down to the shop and work on some cars. Right now, I'm gonna do what I really enjoy. I'm gonna take a ride in the stripes, ease on to the house, and just enjoy it. It's a beautiful day God's created. So, what's going on with the riverbank? Last couple of weeks, we've been super busy. A lot of opportunity come along. We met a lot of new people, been to a lot of new places. God's just opened doors. God opens doors that no man can close, and He closes doors that no man can open. Don't know what the future holds. It's super exciting. Listen to that. That's smooth. So, May 30th, 31st, we'll be back in Townsend, Tennessee for Bugging and Dragging. Looking forward to that. I'm going to go hang out with Jay and his crew and just really have a good time. Hope we get some breaks on the stripes between now and then, and got to put the seatbelts back in. It's going to be a good trip. A lot of the Riverbank Customs crews going. Then we'll be off for a while until we go to Summer Jam, also in Townsend, Tennessee. Looking forward to those events. Different than any other internal combustion engine. Fire, fuel, and air, and they'll run.